Hello and welcome to SKILLIT's Learn Python educational series. In this series, we will be teaching you basic concepts of coding, Python programming in small videos like this one. So let us go ahead and start learning today's topic, what is computer programming or commonly known as coding also. So let us take a very easy and small example to understand it. Let us say that I want to teach you how to make tea. Now let's say that I know only English language and you know only Hindi language. So how do I teach you how to make tea? What I can do is I can draw various pictures of various steps of making tea and show those pictures to you one by one. That way what will happen, you'll understand the steps and you'll make nice cup of tea also. Now these pictures I used worked like a translator for us, right? They helped you understand my commands. Computer programming is also a similar thing. Since computers do not understand our human language, they only understand binary language, which is zeros and ones language. We need to communicate with them in a language that both of us will understand. That's what programming language is. It is basically a way to communicate with the computer. It's like a bridge between our language and computer language. Whatever command we want to give to the computer, we write that command in programming language and it automatically gets translated into binary language of zeros and ones language. Using this language, we give various commands to computer and those commands are called a code. Okay? All the websites, apps, games, they all are written in this programming language. The way we humans talk in various languages like English, Hindi, French, etc. There are many computer languages as well. Did you know that there are more than 700 programming languages? But of course, we don't need to learn all of those. Just learning the most important ones will help. Currently, Python is one of the most important languages in the world. Many big companies like Amazon, Google use it for building their platforms. Most advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning developments are getting done in Python language. Hence, let's learn how to write code or computer program in this Python language. If you want to learn it in depth, you can also join our Python and game development course. Or you can just continue watching these video series. Thank you so much.